all the night, and now I'm going up in the mountain to see the golden eagle. Must come from here and just flying over this little mountain here, because there are a lot of chamois this place. This is fantastic. A chamois family. So nice to see them again here. I found the golden eagle just dropping to the ground, and maybe he's eating, I don't know, he's so far away, 2 or 3 kilometers. It's so rare to see this animal. Its territory is about 150 kilometers around, and it will have up to 5 nests, but only one is used a year. When it flies over me, I feel so much of happiness. It's fantastic. Now I'm here in the tent, and I hope the anchors will be strong enough for this night. And it's time for coffee. Ooh. Oh. Now it's time for looking for wildlife and have great time here, enjoying this time in a high mountain. I'm going up this way with my snowshoes. I wasn't hoping so much at first, as those great birds are shy and stay only a few minutes at the place. And of course this place needs to be mine, as I was waiting for almost 2 hours, perched on the ridge where I sit. I thought the important thing is living in the moment. Suddenly, this was him, right behind me, flying at 60 kilometers per hour in my direction. Fantastic! It's a beautiful, 3 meters wide, bearded vulture. I could have touched him by extending my hand. I was frightened and amazed at the same time. Look at it.